Hassan bought some keychains and some magnets. Each keychain cost this much and each magnet cost this much. Hassan bought 7 fewer magnets than keychain. In total, he spent this amount. How many keychains and magnets did he spend altogether? Now, he said that Hassan bought 7 fewer magnets than keychain. If I were to flip it around, wouldn't it also mean that Hassan bought 7 more keychains than magnet? Okay, it's much easier to change the lesser to more, the fewer to more. So, if he bought 7 fewer magnets than keychain, so keychain must be 7 more. I do not know how many he has, but I just need to know that since he bought 7 more keychains, it will just be like that. This is the number of keychain, number of magnet, same, and at the end, I add a 7. That's all. Okay? And then in total, he spent $108.55. Number 1, I need to find out these 7 additional keychains. How much is it? They told us that each keychain is $2.65, right? So I just take 7 multiplied by $2.65. So throw that inside calculator, 7 multiplied by 2.65, and that will give me $18.55. Now that we've got this over with, right, I'm going to take this one minus this one. Why do I want to do this? It's so that I can actually see now that they are the same. Now that they are the same, I can do something about it. If they are not the same, I cannot do something about it. Which is why when you draw a model, right, you want to ensure that something is the same first. Okay? So if you don't understand, don't worry, you just carry on watching. Now, I'm going to take this one minus this one to get rid of this one, for me to have 2 same models. So I'm going to take 108.55 minus 18.55, and that will give me $90. Which means that this one together with this one, add up together is $90. And on top of that, right, after I minus off the 7 additional keychain, right now doesn't it mean that here will be the ratio, right, is 1 to 1, is 1 keychain to 1 magnet, which means that in one set, right, there will be 1 keychain and 1 magnet. Okay, and in one set, right, 1 keychain is how much? 265. 1 magnet is how much? 335. If you add both of them up together, they're going to give you $6. Okay, now in this $90, okay, they bought same number of, he bought same number of keychain and same number of magnet, and in one set, 1 keychain, 1 magnet is this much. So I'm going to take this one divided by this one. So this is like the set method that I mentioned to you previously. I think I used this method many times already. Okay, so if you take $90 divided by 6, that's going to give you 15, which means that right now there are 15 sets. 15 sets of 1 keychain and 1 magnet. And on top of that, there is 7 more keychains that he bought. So they're asking how many keychains and magnet did he buy altogether. So 15 multiplied by 1 magnet give you 15 magnet. Okay, how about keychain? For keychain, right, it will be 15 multiplied by 1 plus 7. So 15 multiplied by 1 plus 7, that will give me 22 keychain. So this is the final answer, 15 magnets and 22 keychains. Okay, so use the set method. So for parents who are watching this one can be a little bit complicated. But as long as you get rid of the excess, and then now they are the same bar, and you use the set method, okay, you're definitely going to get the answer. This is by far one of the easiest way to explain to your kids if you are trying to use this video to teach your kids. Alright, done.